Welcome, REALME is a Realme 7 and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your SD card to the phone and vice versa. And to get started, simply open up the File Manager or Files app. Now, let me quickly capture a couple of photos so I have something to transfer. There we go, good enough. So I'm gonna go with Files. Let's continue, allow. So for Files, if at the bottom you don't see your storage devices, simply tap on it. Three dots, there we go, and you should see show storage devices. Now for me, I already can see storage devices, so I can hide them instead. And once you see them, simply go to your storage devices. Just a quick overview, DCIM folder will contain your photos, videos that you have captured with the device. Downloads folder will contain anything that you have downloaded through a web browser or email. It gets saved to the download folder. And then pictures folder contains screenshots, and everything else usually is empty, assuming you haven't saved anything there yourself. So once you find your files, which for me it's going to be the photos that I have captured, you want to select them, and you do it by simply holding one file. If there's multiple files that you want to move, after you hold one, you can simply tap on additional ones to select more. Or if you want all of the files, for instance like only photos that are in the camera folder, you can simply select the entire folder itself. Now whichever you do it, it's completely up to you. The right answer is basically whichever one seems to be more convenient to you. And once it's selected, simply tap on the three dots and choose to either move it or copy it. If you choose to move it, it will be completely removed from where it is right now and move to a new location, while copy will create additional set of the same files. I'm gonna go with move for this time. And once you choose one of the options, you will get this pop-up right here. So you can choose to move it either somewhere on the internal storage, which is the phone itself, and that is where the pictures are right now, or you can move it to a completely different storage like the SD card, which that's what I'm gonna do. Once you open it up, again, there's fairly similar folder structure in here, but you can drop it wherever you want. So I'm gonna just simply pop it right here, continue, let's allow, and there we go, it's almost done. And here. So now if we go to the camera folder, you can see that it's completely empty. That's because it was moved, and the phone itself creates the camera folder whenever it's just absent. So now we can go to the SD card and look for the camera folder, which is right over here. And as you can see, there are the 4 photos that were in here before. And that is how you remove your files. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.